Hi there. Oh my goodness. I haven't seen you in so long. Last time you were here, I was with my dad. He's like usually your doctor. Um, but today I'm gonna be your doctor. Actually, I know. Please don't run away. Everybody else has today. I know I'm not like technically a doctor with like a certificate and all that stuff or whatever, but I am very well trained by my dad. So he had to go on vacation. Oh, wait a minute. Oh my goodness, are you sleeping? Oh, that's okay. I'll just whisper, okay? I'm just gonna talk softly and whisper for the rest of your visit. I don't want to wake you up. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice you were sleeping. I thought you were kind of like annoyed when you saw me, like everybody else today. But I'm so happy. That means you won't leave, and I can prove myself. Perfect. Okay, so let's see. Let's just go over your chart. I think you're here for just a checkup. See. I like to use colored paper because it's more fun. Let's see here. Okay, yeah. Perfect. Okay. You look great to me, actually. Let's see here. It does say you're 109. You just turned 109. Oh my god, I would be so sleepy too. Yeah. I'm 29 and I'm already exhausted. Okay. So, from the looks, you look pretty good. Doesn't say you have any bad medical history. That's amazing for 109. And it says, oh, you had cataract surgery. Ooh, that's scary. Today, we'll just be checking vitals. I'm gonna try to do a little bit of a cranial nerve exam. You are sleeping, but they do want me to do one for you, so I'll just work around that and keep in mind that you're just tired, okay? So it's okay. Take the nap, it's okay. It says here you that you live at the nursing home down the street, and I know they always make the residents do like outdoor activities and stuff. I always see you guys out there, so god, that would make me really tired too, especially at 109. Oh my goodness. Okay, so yeah, I think that's gonna be our game plan. And you do look a little pale. See. Okay. It does say you do have some vitamin deficiencies that they're working on with you. So that might be why you're looking a little bit pale. Okay. Okay, well, let's get started with the exam. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some gloves on. As you can see, I'm super sanitary, okay? And somebody told me, like, that I can't wear nails. And I'm like, if I'm wearing gloves anyway, why can't I wear nails? It just doesn't even make sense to me. Like, if I have on gloves, that, like, you can't, like, get the dirt under my nails on you if I have on gloves. So that doesn't even make sense to me. Anyway, they do make it kind of hard to get the gloves on, I won't lie, but besides the point. Okay, let's get started. Okay, bestie, so we're just going to take a look at your heart, okay? Usually this is when they're like breathe in, breathe out. But you are taking your little nap, so it's okay. I'll just take your breaths from your nap. So, okay, it's gonna feel a little cold. Darn thing. I don't think it's working. This is the first time I've ever used it because I got it because it's pink and I think it's really cute. I think it doesn't work. I got it off Temu. Hold on. Oh my god. That's so annoying. I'm sorry, bestie. Let me see. Let me just try to touch you a little bit. You do feel a tiny bit cold. We do keep it freezing in here though. You know, like the germs and whatever, so. It's okay. I'm not really getting a heartbeat though. I don't feel a pulse. Could be because you're sleeping though. We'll have to try again when you wake up, okay? Sorry. But that's totally okay, because let's move on. We'll take your blood pressure, okay? So I'm just gonna wrap this around your arm. Okay. And we're just gonna... Okay. Let it go. I bet this thing isn't gonna work either. I got it as a set, so it's probably not gonna work either. Oh my god, my dad's gonna kill me. Okay, bestie, no worries. We're just gonna keep doing the exam, okay? Okay, bestie, this is gonna be a little bit weird, but I am gonna have to look inside your mouth just to see and make sure that, like, dental wise you're all like good and stuff. So I am just gonna open your mouth a little bit and look in there. Yeah, okay. Just open your mouth. It keeps wanting to shut. Goodness, okay. I mean, it does look okay. Okay. Pearly whites, or I mean, these kind of look like dentures. Sorry. But they look good. They look good. Okay. Perfect. So I'm gonna write that down. Okay, so I'm just gonna write down really quick that your teeth look good. Okay, and then it is asking about blood pressure. Let me see your previous notes, okay? Do you have problems with your blood pressure? Let's see. Not seeing anything. Okay. Right here. It looks like you range from like 120 over 90, typically. So I'm just gonna write that down, bestie. Don't tell anybody. Shh. I really don't want my dad to kick me out. I want to prove to him that I don't have to go to medical school for this. So this is gonna be between us, okay? Also, I think the front desk receptionist is gonna tell on me that everybody wanted to reschedule when he got back in. But not you. That's why I'm calling you bestie, because you're now my bestie, actually. Okay. And perfect. Okay, perfect. So I am gonna take a look at your eyes, and I'm gonna see if they'll just like move around a little bit for like the cranial nerve part of the exam, and try to see if I can get your eyes to follow the light a little bit. Okay, bestie. So I'm gonna have to just open your eyes myself and shine the light. I'm just gonna have to open your eyes myself and shine the light. Okay. do look like super glossed over. It's kind of weird. I've never seen that. I mean, it could be the cataracts, right? I'm just gonna take one more little look-see, okay? Just hold still for me. Don't wake up. Just stay asleep. Just stay asleep. Just stay asleep. Yeah, that's like totally weird. I'm gonna write it down, and then when my dad gets back, I'm gonna ask him and get back to you on that, okay? But it's probably the cataracts. I'm assuming. I don't know. They're like a little bit gray. Do you have gray eyes? Wait a minute. Let me get your chart. Let me just see right here. Okay. So no, it says that you have blue eyes. But I guess you're kind of older, no offense. So your eyes could be like a little bit different. Same with the cataracts. Okay. Okay. That's making total sense. Okay. Just gonna write that down. Okay, besties, so we're a little bit limited on what we're gonna do because you are sleeping. I don't want to wake you up, but I think your ride's gonna be here in a couple minutes from the nursing home. So I'm just gonna take a few more notes here for you, okay? Let's do sharp or dull, okay? So we'll just do a little feeling test, and maybe that'll wake you up a little bit so I don't, have to do it myself. But we can do a sharp or dull test to see how your feeling sensation is, okay? Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna be using this little tool right here. As you can see, it has a very sharp side and then like a little circly side, okay? Okay, so we're gonna start with the dull side. You're... Okay. Okay, doesn't seem good. To the sharp side. Your skin is kind of weird, and not like old people weird. Like I don't know. It's like it barely moves, or I don't know. And this is really sharp, and you're not moving, friend. Let me just kind of touch your face a little bit. You still feel super cold. Okay, so I know I said I wasn't gonna wake you up, but I'm gonna have to try to wake you up, friend, because I'm getting concerned a little bit. Okay, so just don't be mad at me, okay? But Hi, hello. Hello. Oh my gosh. Bestie. Oh my god, no, don't do this to me. Oh my god, my dad is gonna kill me. Oh no, I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. What? Friend, what? Did you just like slump over in your seat when they brought you in here, or what? Because I saw you walk in here. What? How did this... You are 109, yes. no. Oh, friend. Oh, bestie. No, my dad. Oh, God. He's gonna kick me out of here. Friend. Okay, friend. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to call the nurse. I'm gonna have to call the nurse. I can't do this right now. Oh my gosh. I am so sorry. I should have picked up on that. Like with the no heartbeat and stuff. Oh no. Oh, I'm so stupid. I'm so sorry, friend. Well, I'm gonna call the nurse, like I said, and let her deal with it because I cannot deal with this right now. I actually have somewhere to be in like